Who is known as the father of political science? రాజకీయ శాస్త్ర పితామహుడు ఎవరు? ఆన్సర్ అరిస్టాటిల్. Aristotle is called the father of the political science because he studied politics in a scientific and systematic way, not just as philosophy. He wrote a famous book called Politics, where he analyzed different types of governments and their functions. Next question. Who wrote the book The Prince? The Prince అనే గ్రంథాన్ని ఎవరు రచించారు? The answer is option C. The Prince is a famous book that explains how a ruler can gain and maintain a political power. Machiavelli focused on practical politics and said that sometimes a ruler may need to take strict decisions to protect the state. Which theory explains the origin of the state as a divine creation? రాష్ట్రం దేవుని సృష్టి అని చెప్పే సిద్ధాంతం ఏది? The correct answer is option B, divine origin theory. Divine origin theory states that the state is created by God and not by human beings. According to this theory, the king is considered as the representative of God, so people must obey him without questioning his authority. Who is associated with the social contract theory? సామాజిక ఒప్పంద సిద్ధాంతంతో సంబంధం ఉన్నవారు ఎవరు? The answer is option D, all of the above. The social contract theory explains that the state was formed by an agreement among people to live together peacefully. Hobbes supported a strong ruler for security, while Locke and Rousseau supported individual rights and democratic government. What is the main function of the legislature? శాసనసభ యొక్క ప్రధాన పని ఏమిటి? The correct answer is option B, making laws. The main function of the legislature is to make laws for the country which are necessary for maintaining order and development. It also represents the will of the people and controls the executive by questioning its actions. What is the main function of the executive? కార్యనిర్వాహక శాఖ యొక్క ప్రధాన పని ఏమిటి? Answer option B. The executive is responsible for implementing and enforcing the laws made by the legislature. It manages the day-to-day administration of the country through the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. What is the main function of the judiciary? న్యాయ వ్యవస్థ యొక్క ప్రధాన పని ఏమిటి? The answer is option C, interpretation of laws. Who gave the concept of separation of powers? అధికారుల విభజన సిద్ధాంతాన్ని ఎవరు చెప్పారు? Answer is option B, Montesquieu. Montesquieu proposed that power should be divided into legislature, executive and judiciary. This division helps to prevent misuse of power and maintains balance in the government. What type of government exists in India? భారతదేశంలో ఏ విధమైన ప్రభుత్వం ఉంది? The answer is option B, parliamentary. India follows a parliamentary system where the executive is responsible to the legislature. The Prime Minister is the real head of the government and holds most of the executive power. Which is the lower house of the Indian Parliament? భారత పార్లమెంట్ లో కింది సభ ఏది? The correct answer is option B, Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is the lower house and its members are directly elected by the people of India. It has more powers compared to the Rajya Sabha, especially in financial matters. Which is upper house of the Indian Parliament? భారత పార్లమెంట్ లో పై సభ ఏది? Please comment your answer. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.